In this stunning ballpoint biro artwork, an African woman is portrayed as a symbol of resilience and beauty. Despite the hardships she faces, her inner strength radiates through her captivating gaze and bold features. This unique piece shows the intricate detailing and breathtaking ballpoint biro strokes, capturing the essence of strength and elegance all in one. With thousands, if not up to millions of precise ballpoint biro strokes in over 120 hours, I captured the striking features of an African woman, her beauty rooted in her unbreakable resilience, a symbol of strength and grace. She stands tall against all odds. Her unwavering strength and enduring spirit shine through every delicate line, a testament to the enduring power of the spirit in every African woman. So, bring home a touch of Africa with this amazing and remarkable creation, as these beauties are available for sale, both the original and the printable version. Do well to subscribe to our channel to see and appreciate more captivating artworks just like this. And don't forget to share, comment, and keep engaging so it gets to reach more people. Thank you.